exit home. Oh my Lord. So I got a few packs of ramen noodles. I got an avocado. I got 2 of my favorite seasonings. I get those at Aldi. I got myself some Starbucks gingerbread coffee because it's limited edition and I don't always find it. I got more of the probiotic Activia, the 0 sugar ones, because I love those. I got my favorite bagels because if we're snowed in, I need bagels. I got some Activia peach yogurt. I got this piece of salmon that's lightly smoked, and then I got 2 of the Atlantic ones that are Mediterranean and herb. I got some pork chops because they're always good. I got some cheese dip because I've been craving cheese dip lately, and I just never buy it, so I did. I got 8 of the jasmine rices. I got 2 of the cilantro lime rices. I got some chips for the cheese dip. I got more of my favorite protein bars. And then I got some cereal. So it looks like a little grocery haul here, but that's what I did. Mom also got some other stuff that I'll be using sparingly with this, but yeah. And as you can see, coming out from under the streetlight, it's just snow, 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 snow. Wow. Everywhere. It's literally like 4 a.m. I'm awake because I had to pee, but look at all that snow. And it's not even truly began. I mean, it's supposed to do this all day. Look at it now. It's like 11:30. And look at this. I mean, it is just coming down.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get her. Where's that Piper? Where's that Piper? Is it snowing, baby? Is it snowing? What's he doing? What's he doing? Whoa! I'm gonna get you.
Look at all that snow. Holy crap. And it is still heavily coming down. Dude, look at that snow. It is coming down, folks. Coming down, I'm telling you. I'm gonna shut the door on you. I'm gonna shut the door on you. What are you gonna do? You little shit. She'll knock you down.
Give her just a bit. If you'll open the door and jump at her, she might take off. Yeah, she's sitting down. Don't let her get too cold.
Come on, let's get in the house. Get in this house. Get yourself in this house.
Be careful.
This game is horrific. Literally, we're playing our backup people, and our backup people suck. Look, that was the worst play you've seen all day. He's done that like 2 or 3 times that I've seen, and that's the only when I've been paying attention. We literally have like 6.5 inches of snow. It is crazy, and we're supposed to get another 1 to 3, maybe 4 inches by tomorrow morning. So within the next 12 hours, we're supposed to get that amount. It's crazy. Like you can see where Dad shoveled it. But look at that. And it's still coming down. There goes the snowplow guy. But yeah, we've got all kinds.
our neighbors, so we've been good neighbors.
I applied for a place back in December, like December 20th, something like that. I had applied to this place. And then I got an email from them saying that the position was no longer open. And then, here it is. I just got an email from them today saying the position's been reopened. And they offered me a phone interview at 11:55 next Monday. So this would be an amazing opportunity. So pray it all works out. Let's choose to ignore my hair. I had my bangs pinned back earlier. Oh my Lord. And this is what I get for taking them out of the bobby pin. Anyways, I had to run to Walmart because we needed, oh my God, just ignore the hair. I needed cereal. Mom needed cereal. I was going to return some yogurt drinks that I had bought. Guys, always look at the expiration date on things because I bought these, went to open them, and discovered that they expired December 30th. Okay, I bought them January 4th. So make sure you're checking expiration dates. That's really all I have to say about that. That was on me. They were going to return them, but I didn't have my correct card with me, so I got to go back and do it another time. It's fine. It's fine. It's all good. We're supposed to get more snow between, I think, late tonight, early tomorrow morning, something like that. We're supposed to get 2 to 3 inches, so that'll be fun. And yeah, that's really about it, but the snow's not stopping yet, folks. I'm about to go to bed and realize it's snowing. I've been having insomnia tonight, so I haven't been sleeping, but look at all that. We're supposed to get like 2 to 3 more inches on top of what we already have, people. It's just pouring snow outside. Just pouring snow. I'm going to show you another angle where you can probably see it better. Look at that. It is very fine snow right now, but it is just coming down non-stop. I don't know how much it's picking up on the camera exactly, but dude, it's just like non-stop snow. Like, how wild. She's walked way out there today. Yeah. Oh, I think she can go potty. No? She's taking at the snow. Oh, what a cute little girl. Look at her running in it. Yeah. It's hard to see because these chairs are blocking our view, but she's playing in it. I'm gonna open the door and play with her.